The Wildwood 42Veranda Destination 2025 features a dining room and living room in the attic. The Wildwood 42Veranda model wants to become the motorhome for those who want to escape to nature with all the comforts. The 42Veranda is part of the Wildwood Grand Lodge line. It's also arguably the most awarded floor plan, having been named Best New Model of 2025 by RV Pro and made it to the top 10 RV of the Year finalists by RV Business. The Wildwood 42Veranda is a travel trailer that can accommodate a family of 6 and boasts best-in-class features. This model is not new, but 2025 brings significant updates that make it even more outstanding. This is a premium trailer that aims to outperform all other trailers with an amazing layout that turns the loft into a separate second floor. It also happens to live like a child's paradise, which is very much in line with the official description of the model range as family-friendly. Unladen, it weighs 13,745 pounds, 6,234 kilograms, and has a cargo capacity of 2,446 pounds, 1,109 kilograms, including a 40-gallon, 151-liter, fresh water tank, 80 gallons, 303 liters, gray water tank, and 30 gallons, 113 liters, black water tank. The veranda has 2 entry points, one to the open-plan kitchen and the other through glass sliding doors that open onto the veranda. 42Veranda has an outside kitchen that is ideal for entertaining. With steel countertops, a grill, large sink, and a medium-sized under-counter refrigerator, this veranda is perfect for al fresco dining and late-night gatherings. Not that the space inside is any less attractive. The living room features a luxurious sofa bed that converts to a double bed, adjustable lighting, and a wall with a large fur-ion fireplace and smart TV. The kitchen next to it combines an island with a dining table for 3 people, behind which there is an updated double sink and some storage space. The kitchen unit is filled with all the amenities, from appliances, 4-burner gas stove, tested oven, microwave, extractor hood, 2-door refrigerator with ice maker, to the number of storage options. The loft is another highlight of the 42Veranda and is a feature that sets it apart from all other trailers. First, it is larger than most lofts, but it is also designed to resemble a mini apartment. There's a living room with a second big-screen TV, a dining table with a lowered floor, a queen-size bed, and a bunch of stuff. The bathroom is located directly below the loft and is pretty standard. A very wide shower with glass doors, a toilet and a sink with a dressing table and storage space. The master bedroom is right at the front of the trailer, also decorated like a real bedroom in a standard home with a king-size bed, storage space, and a wardrobe with a washer and dryer. Standard features include automatic blinds, solid surface countertops, on-demand water heater, LED blade lighting throughout including the exterior, JBL 3-zone media center, central vacuum, soft close all drawers, stainless steel appliances in the kitchen. Options include an exterior shower, upgraded toilet, and an extreme weather package that applies R38 reflective film to the roof and floor. The Wildwood 42Veranda Grand Lodge 2025 was introduced at a price just below $84,000.